A lot of people ask me, can you teach us how to create a portrait that truly feels alive? The answer is simple. Details. Let me show you how. This is a portrait of Anthony Hopkins, a legendary and beloved actor, and with his face as the subject. I'll walk you through every step and tip you need to bring a portrait to life. First important note, I didn't use a pre-made gray-wash set. Why? Because I wanted full control over the tonal values. I used a standard blacking and mixed it with different amounts of solution to create my own tones. I always start my tattoos from the bottom up, and the reason is simple. The upper skin stays clean, the stencil doesn't get wiped off, and I can control hand movement and shading direction much easier. I begin by lining the key areas first, so if the stencil fades later on, I won't lose my guide. Before we continue, like the video to make more of this tutorial. Unlike most tattoo artists, I actually start shading from dark to light. This way, I can define the K shadows early on, and it saves me both time and mental energy. In every portrait, the eyes are the main focus. If this part doesn't turn out well, the whole portrait loses its soul. So, take your time, don't rush it. Hopkins' face is not simple. It's full of subtle textures and fine wrinkles. For those, I usually relight and controlled hand movements with the lightest tone. His hair is light, so I used my lightest wash and only shade a few K lines. And if you don't want to miss more tattoo tutorial like this, subscribe to my channel. You might also like this video.